Sarap ng empanada nila, guys.
And my mom made it.
Say hi kayo dyan.
Hi!
Ba-vlog ako.
Nag-ano ka ba?
Mag-vlog ako.
Where?
He said he already finished his food.
Sarap ng empanada nila, guys. They're crispy.
This is like weird. Right after it hits my tongue, kind of like it feels fuzzy.
Oh. Baby, kaya ng isa. Oh, asus.
A flying ant?
Ito.
What is a flying ant?
Ayan, guys. Oh.
What is that?
Yan lang ang gusto nilang kainin. What you are eating, Nate?
Cheetos.
How about you, Kuya? What are you eating?
Doritos.
Doritos
And I grape soda.
and Cheetos.
Hey, that's the voice for our umbrella from home. What from that house? There's plants.
Sarap ng binignit. Binignit or ginataan. So, tapos na kami kumain, guys. Ikot lang tayo dito sa bahay niya kasi, ayan o. Ang gaganda ng kanyang mga flowers. Ang gaganda ng mga flowers niya, guys, oh. Ayan, ang ganda. So, tapos na kami kumain. Ikot lang tayo. Doon kami nag-park. Ayan na, guys, oh, yung kanyang mga flowers. Ang gaganda, oh. Ayan. Ang gaganda ng flowers niya. La, la, la. Welcome. Nag-vlog ako. Hi! Video-video tayo pag may time. Ayan yung hobby ko, guys. Ayan, my baby, oh! Ay! Where's Clinton? Yan yung anak ko guys, oh. Ayan ang magkuya, oh. So, umikot lang ako kanina doon, guys. Ang ganda dito. Yeah, it's good to play here, kuya.
So as you can see, that's first base, that's second base, that's third base. And that black line is pitcher's mound.
Yeah?
We don't know that. They don't use them both. I haven't noticed it.
What is that?
Look, do you see?
Mm-hmm.
This one kind of looks like a gun.
Yeah. Be careful. Where's Clinton? You wanna go there, Pot? Yeah. What? Hey there, Nate. Jump, 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 Pot. Jump, jump. What? No, you're drinking. What do you got? What you got? Orange? Oh, grapes. Ah, may cake sila dito, guys. Oh. Oh. Drink.
Ayan. Okay. Where I should look? Oh, wait.
It's like paparazzi. Yes? Keep on smiling.
Say hi.
Give it to your mom and she'll fill it up. Yeah.
How could we not notice this?
Yeah, you can leave it there. In there. You're done playing? You want some more chips? Go bless to Ninang, go. Just say bless Ninang and Ninong. It's over there, Kuya. Your Ninang is there. Go bless. You know where Ninang Gemma? Say hi, Ninang. So, sasali tayo sa palaro, guys. May palaro. Dito ako. Sali tayo sa palaro, guys. Ayan, nakaupo na yung iba.
Perfect. Okay. Now, everybody stand up. And then we go around. Okay. 11. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Let's wait for the music. The music? You need to dance. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Right now, my mom, which is the one I'm aiming it on, and in the middle of the camera who just sat down and barely beat the guy there. That's the red dress is my mom. Hi, Mom. Hello. It's musical chairs. There's 11 players, 9 chairs, I believe. My mom's safe again. Tie-dye. The guy with the colors is out. Put down my pause. The pause in the action. Wish. My mom is blasting these guys. This is elastic. Wait, 3 less chairs? Oh God, now there's only 6 chairs left. And I'm zooming out. I'm zooming in. And my mom made it. My mom has made it. My mom is still in this. Try and win this. Try and win this. There's some people who I thought would already. And the host of this enormous party is out.
We already know it's 3, right? Yeah.
My mom lives again. My mom lives again. Oh God! There's only 4 chairs. Mom, your phone. Oh man. 3 chairs. My mom, the one the camera's mostly focused on, is still in this. The other players who have survived. It's musical chairs. Sorry for disturbance.
I went the right side.
Try to win.
What?
Try to win.
15-7.
Oh no.
I thought that last one.
Okay, we'll do the roll.
That's where I won it. I thought it was going to
Sorry for this disturbance.
would have got it.
Okay, you have to be like this part. Then you need to shake your booty. Without shaking, it's disqualified. Okay, layo.
Oh man. Meanwhile, Beanbag's game is going strong. Is there a reserve? My mom is in the championships. Win! 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 Win!
Not yet.
It's either my mom or this person. My mom or this person. My mom will be the champion of musical chairs. Who will win the money? Who will win the money prize? Who will win this money prize of $10?
Judy, bukas na may immediate care na yan.
Nasa di Cherry na.
Hanggang ganyan lang naman si ano.
Look at the fish.
Oh, tuna lang. Iyak ka na. Ang bilis na takbo ko dun nung sinabi niya, oh, pinamimigay na. Pinamimigay sa package niya.
Say hi ka dyan. Oo.
Hello! Happy anniversary, David and Cherry! Hi! Happy anniversary, Cherry and David.
Yan.
More anniversaries to come.
Nalagay ko to sa YouTube ko.
Anniversary to you both. Ang ganda ng color! Wala nang nanalo. Kailangan picture.
Congratulations!
Paano yung nanalo?
May picture din.
Akin na lang yan,
Punta kayo
Cherry. Akin na lang. Umiiyak kanina ka. Nanlalamig ako eh. Punta ka na. Libre na.
Oy, may kinuha na sila. Oy, binunot na. Ano ka na lang?
Pangalawang beses na yan. Magtatampo na yan. Dalawang beses na tumayo.
Yung last talaga.
So, ano yun? Ayan na yung mga nanalo, guys. Oh. So, sila yung mga nanalo.
Tingnan mo kung makuha niya, eh, wala na pala, tinapon na yun.
Ayan, tapon na yan.
Wala, hindi ko nabuksan.
Yay!
All reviews are sponsored by Northwestern Medicine, a second opinion.
I got food again. It's a Filipino food. Oh, pauwi na kami, guys.
Shortstop, and he's one of the best sluggers
You're
in the
still
game.
drinking, kuya.
Does make a compelling point.
Don't you better not spill that.
Yeah, and then Nathan got his bucket there.
I've learned to cook.
Clinton's still drinking. Pinapawisan ako doon sa laro.
Is proud to have been there every step of the way. Learn more about
So, pauwi na kami,
Sloan's
guys.
hygiene-friendly commercial restroom solutions at sloan.com.
You know, friendly. Take a different approach with Chicago.
Dilim na.
Seeing make this play is Alex Cora and Ozzie Guillen, if I remember correctly, with the White Sox. They would do that going up the middle, but heck of a
He's always been a good RBI man.
Ice cream. So, sila lang yung ma-ice cream, guys. Hindi na ako nag-ice cream kasi may take home ako. Mga kakanin galing sa party. Nag-Sharon na naman ako. Pag may mga party talaga hindi nawawala yung Sharon. Balutin mo ako sa hiwaga ng iyong pagmamahal. How's your ice cream, kuya?
Good.
So, So, dito na kami sa bahay, guys. And, pinaligo ko na yan siya bago pa siya kumain ng ice cream niya. Yung ice cream niya, habang siya naligo kanina, nilagay ko muna sa freezer yung kanyang ice cream. Tapos, ayan, nilabas ko na ngayon after niya maligo. Kasi, naggulong-gulong yan siya kanina doon sa damuhan. While naglalaro sila ni Nathan. Is that good? Good. Salita ako ng salita, hindi pala naka-on yung camera ko. So, ayan yung pag-giveaway nila, guys, oh. Saan ko na, nagsalita ako na nagsasalita, hindi pala naka-on yung camera ko. Ayan, so, pakita ko na lang. Ito yung mga laman niya. So, pwede siya lagyan ng mga grocery list. Maliit na book, ayan. And then, ayan, okay, so, ang cute. Thank you, we glad you made it. Tapos, nilagyan ng pangalan nila. Tapos, yung pen naman, may nakalagay na Happy 40th Wedding Anniversary. Tapos, yung pangalan nila. Ayan. So, thank you sa nag-invite. Tapos, meron ding, ano dito. So, maganda to lagayan ng mga, ano, mga notes. Ayan. So, pwede siya idikit sa fridge. So, maganda to kasi makalimutin na ako. Ayan, pang number naman, pwede rin to maliliit. Ayan, so ang cute niya, guys. Perfect siya pang, ano, pang giveaway. So, yun lang yung ganap namin ngayon, guys. Ayan, so maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. Ayan, so hindi naman ako kakain dun sa mga dinala ko galing sa party kasi busog pa ako, guys. Ayan, kaya nga hindi ako nagpabili ng ice cream kasi hindi pa talaga busog, super busog talaga ako kasi ang dami kong nakain kanina. Tapos si Clint nakaligo na, si Nathan na lang yung paliliguan ko. Tapos ako, pagkatapos ko paliguan si Nathan, ako naman. Tapos late na kasi ngayon, anong oras na ba? 9 na pala ngayon, guys. O, diba? Ginabi kami. Ginabi na kami. So, 9 o'clock na pala ngayon. So, ayan, guys. End ko na ang video na to. Maraming salamat sa inyong panonood. See you sa susunod naming video. Ayan. So, itatry ko na naman na mag-upload ng mga upload. Ayan. So, maraming salamat sa inyong panonood, guys. See you on the next one. Bye!